Greece now. Storm Bora is in decline. Rhodes and Lemnos are measuring their woods. Damage accounting has begun. Like it if you think that we need to protect nature, because this is the main problem of humanity. The more likes, the more people will know it. Residents of Lŷmnos in Rhodes also endured several hours of agony last night, as the river burst its banks again due to heavy rain. Work continued throughout the night to remove tons of mud and gravel from the river, to clear it and to prevent further flooding. Over the course of the entire evening, army vehicles removed tons of dirt and soil. And now vehicles from the region and the municipality are removing the brought materials, so that they do not end up in the river again. About 100 residents remained cut off from the rest of Rhodes. Today, schools remain closed in 5 parts of Rhodes.